Hello, hello, my wonderful and beautiful friends around the globe. Great editions. This is me once again, aka Optimist Amici, and on this very video, this particular one, we'll be looking into something that concerns all of us here, something that is really important. You know, sometimes people are complaining that they don't understand how to whitelist an email, because sometimes when you send email, it will not deliver. So I want to show you using this very video how you can have that done and get that sorted out so that that will no longer be an issue to contend with, especially now that many people are coming back to the community. Most of them has forgotten their email and password, especially the password. So when they now try to do a password reset, they are not getting email sent down to their inbox. So join me here now as we have that done. It's very simple, and we must always appreciate the fact that what we are having in this community is not to be gotten elsewhere. Admin is doing something wonderful, and having opportunity to help others is another great thing that we're doing together, because we are definitely committed to making this very opportunity, this community, to move forward. So let's move along as I start with sharing my screen. So I start by sharing my screen. Okay, my screen is now up, running, but always true to the fact that we are doing this thing. We always need to appreciate it, because if you look at TBC, all part of it, I can sum it up with one thing: support. There's no issue in the community that you not get a solution to. Okay, now let's hear what this fine lady has to say, because many a times we just overlook it. But when you pay attention to all this, you understand that you got you covered. Get you covered always. So listen to her. I'm sorry. Even before doing that, I want to. Sorry. Let me share the optimize the sound so that you can actually hear it. Okay. So now you listen.
Regardless if this is your first time logging on into our website or the millionth time, I'm here to reassure you that we can help you anytime you need it. It doesn't matter if you forgot your password or you're having trouble completing facial recognition, or whatever. As you can see on this page, we have multiple ways to get support. A good place to start is our 24/7 live chat. Hope you see that icon. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a nice day.
There you have the assurance up there. Whatever be your issue, no matter what it is, you are covered. So if you want to whitelist an email, let's take it from here. Remember, you don't log into your account. Sorry, yeah, because you have not been able to log in. So when you just come to Pringle.cash and click on login, this page will appear like this. Okay, it will just appear like this. Then you're expected to scroll down. Okay, follow the instructions. See it all here. If you're unable to log in due to password or invalid credential, please click here to reset your password. And this is where we have the problem, because our reset link doesn't go through. And then we are asked to do something here, and that is this. If you require password, sorry, the alarm is always there. So if you require password reset or to reset a link for the help desk, you must whitelist Pringle.cash in your email account. And this is where it becomes as a tug of war. So when we hear this word whitelist is not difficult. So whitelisting an email is not difficult. So this is Pringle.cash, okay? We have to whitelist this so that we will get our email gotten through. I just copy this. Okay, you copy this. And then the next thing you need to do is this. You go straight, okay? You go straight to your email. It's always good to use computer. You go straight to your email. If you want somebody to have it done for you, that means you need to give the person your login details to do it for you. But it's very simple. So you just come to your email. Let me log into my inbox. Okay. Okay, it's opening. Good. So this is just how it goes. Wait for it to open. And once it opens, you follow through. Okay, this is my email. So what do I look out for? I'll look out for this gear icon. Do you see it here? The gear icon by the top right on my screen. So I just click on it. Okay. I'm waiting for it to open. Maybe the inbox is still loading. Okay, good. So this has loaded. I clicked on the gear icon. I noticed something like this, quick settings, see all settings, you see all these ones. So none of this is your concern. Okay, what you want to have done is just to whitelist particular email, and that is kringle.cash. So you click on see all settings. See all settings. You click on it. Then let's see what happens when it opens. Due to network, sometimes it gets slow or things like that. Okay, it's loading. So when it's done, you are going to see settings. You will see general, label, inbox, account, and import, filter, and block address, and all these ones is showing there. So I'm not here to teach you the technical aspect of all this. What we are just doing is how to whitelist an email. So I come here, filter and blocked addresses, filters and blocked addresses. So you click on it. Okay. What do you have in there? You now look at it. So what you're looking for now is this. You look down here, create a new filter, import filters. That is not what you're looking for. Create new filter. Okay. So what do I have to do? I'll click on create a new filter. Just tap on it. You remember I've copied kringle.cash. Sometimes it comes as a no response or no reply.kringle.cash, something like that. So I've got kringle.cash. So I just look at this a form here. Any email coming from kringle.cash, you indicate it here, you paste it here. Okay, you paste it, kringle.cash. I'm giving it instruction so that any email emanating from this will not have problem. Okay, so when you see it this way, you come to create a filter. Do you look at it like this? I click on something like this, then I paste. Do you see it? I just want you to notice what is happening here. Okay? Are you seeing here? Look at here. Here is faded. It's faded. But once I paste something here, look at the faded create filter here. Once I paste what I want to whitelist, paste, you see it come up. Are you looking at it? Yes. So when it comes up, you just click on create filter, then wait for it to load. Good and fine. Good and fine. So when this place pops up, when the message is an exact match for your search criteria, skip the inbox, all this blah, 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 blah. It's not your, you don't have anything to do with here. Okay? So, but now, the only thing you want to command it is this. Any message coming from that kringle.cash, Please never send it to spam. Okay? Always mark it as important. You are giving the system command of what to do for it. Never mark it as important. Categorize, choose categories. These are other things you need to do, but you just want to do this to create filter for this so that the message coming from people to cache does not get hooked up or get blocked for any reason. Okay? So you may equally want it to be starred. They just star it as something important. All these things are what you just need to do. But sometimes the only thing you just command is never send it to spam. I hope you're following. So once you are done, you just click on create filter. Are you looking at it? Filter was created. So it's just that simple. So any message that comes down, any message that you send to it will never get any issue. Look at it here now. Okay? Matches from Kringle Cache, never send it to spam. You see all these things. It's always good to going to mark it as important. Okay, so this is just what we want to demonstrate here. It's not a long video, it's not something else. I just want to specify because now that the need to have this done is coming up, because for instance, there are people who need this the most, and that is those who want to change email. If you want to change your email, your registered email, due to you having problem with it, so what you just need to do is this. Once you log into your account.
Hello again. Regardless if this is your first.
Sorry, you're always there to support us. We're all doing the same thing. Good job. So you come here, you come into your account. For those who want to change their email, because especially those who have multiple accounts, that they want to change email to the current account owner. So you come to help desk. Click on help desk. The reason why doing your whitelisting is important because once you have done it, having emails will no longer be an issue. Once you send email, it goes to it straight within seconds. Okay? So if you are changing an email for an account, it's very simple. Once you come here, you click help ticket. Okay? Then you come straight down here, you click on this wallet, select type. What is your issue? The reason for coming here, you want to change registered email. You click on it as your topic, your request type. Then you just come here and put summary, change of email, just the summary due to one thing. Then you come here and then put the details and then put the email you want to change this to, the email you want to have it changed to. And you'll be required to upload some documents. And that document is an ID card that corresponds with your face and name. So once you have it done, you will now get a link sent to your email. So in order for that link to go through, because they'll send a message to test whether you have access to that email. In order for it to go through, that is where whitelisting your email is very important. Or some other times, you can even come here, you just go to Google Direct, okay? You can go to Google and then type how to whitelist an email and just follow through. It's all simple. We are doing this because in our community now, everybody, all hands need to be on deck. We need to get ourselves onto what we are doing. We need to show everybody that what we are doing is not rocket science. Everybody who cares to know what he's doing, everybody who takes this serious, ought to know other areas that need to do that. So, but for people who are looking for help, I believe that this video can be of serious help to you. You may subscribe, and then whenever I release new videos like this or other areas, you also benefit from it because here we are making it to work out, because anybody who is seriously seeing what we are seeing will not for any reason take this thing for a joke. And whenever you have issues, always come here. If you're a new member, you have a questions, come here to ask. This assume. If you have any technical challenges, come here. We are ready to support. We are ready to put you through, because that is what we are here for. We want to make sure that everything that we are doing here is working in line, and no member for any reason should be feeling bad because of not being able to have his or her issues, or the problem is having with the account delayed unnecessarily. Okay, so this is just how far I want to go. I want us to be in line. I want us to follow up, for us to understand that when we do this thing right, the benefit is too enormous. I also want to remind some of us who are not on the core team now, please don't feel as if you have fallen out. You have not fallen out. The core team backup is 5,000. And presently, how many are we having? Let me just permit me to quickly share the screen once again, so that we see it together. So that we just see it together. And then, okay, I want to come to marketing. Marketing. Okay. Let me see. The reason why I'm finding it difficult is, okay, let me minimize the size of these so that it will be easy. Okay. I come to marketing. Need to go more low. Sorry, though it may be tiny. Okay, I click on core team. Okay, so you see the core team as it opens. I can now enlarge it a bit. Okay, good. It's now large enough. So you come here, you see the present core team members. You have them here. 11,111. This is the core team. Okay. Some people call it team A, fine and good. Then the backup team is this. You want to know the backup team. You click here. Once you click here, you will see the backup team. Okay. This is the backup team. We're having 8 entries so far. So here is required to be 5,000. So out of 5,000, you just have 8, showing that more space is still needed here. So don't feel as if you have lost out. Remember, this 11,111 get filled one day. And definitely this one is going to also get filled. So nobody should discourage you and say, once you are not on the core team, you have lost that. No, you have not lost that, because things still are, things that you're having there is still for everybody. Still for everybody. And we should do our best to play our roles and make sure that we don't allow those who are giving excuses, those who are trying to say what they don't know, to confuse us. No, they shouldn't. So I don't want to make this video long, but I believe that what we just tried to share here will be of help. So please try to subscribe and share to help others. This is me, one of the member helpers community, one of the people talking about TBC. As we do this thing, we are going to benefit maximally. And we always want to appreciate TBC admin for what he's doing. We always want to appreciate Embe Derek for his selflessness, for his effort, and all those who are working hard to make sure that this community goes forward. We appreciate you all the ambassadors, all those who are making things to work. Please talk to people about TBC and let them know that They have so much to gain here. They have the best opportunity you can ever think of. So thank you so much. I remain yours, AK Optimist, and have a pleasant day.